Hello everyone, welcome to watch our video. We are going to talk about the definite integrals. Let's begin with this theorem, which define the definite integrals and the area of a region. Which region? Look here, according to this theorem, if the function f is continuous and non-negative, continuous, this means there is no any interruption in the curve of the function. What is the meaning of non-negative function? It means this function above the x-axis, okay? This function continuous and non-negative on a closed interval a to b. Then the area of the region bounded by the graph of the function, x-axis and the vertical lines, x equal a, x equal b, given by this definite integral. Look here, if we have a curve of the function like this one, that is a, that is the closed interval b. So the area bounded by the curve of the function, the two vertical lines and the x-axis, this is shaded, the area of the shaded region, it will be the definite integral from a to b of f of x with respect to here. Look here, according what I just explained for you, that is the curve of the function as you see, that is the two vertical line, x equal a, x equal b, okay? That is the x-axis, the area of the shaded part or shaded region. It is as the definite integral from a to b, f of x with respect to x. I call this called what? Lower limit of integration. Okay, this is called the upper limit of integration. Okay, I think it's so easy. As you see here, to find the area bounded by the curve of this function, okay, x-axis and the two vertical line, x equal 0 here, x equal 4. It will be as the definition of what? Integration from the x equal 0 to x equal what? 4. From 0 to 4. Two vertical lines, okay? Or where the function defined on this closed interval, okay? Is defined from 0 to 4. What is the function that we have for x minus x squared with respect to x? Okay, I think it's so clear. The area of shaded region, it is defined by the definite integral from 0 to 4 of this function with respect to x. Okay, look here. Let's see what is the kind of question that we have on this one. Look, this one, it is very important to understand the meaning of the definite integral by using the area of the region bounded by the curve of the function to vertical line and the x-axis. Here, sketch the region corresponding to each definite integral. That is definite integral. Then evaluate each integral using a geometric formula. Geometric what? Formula. Look here. I have to sketch this function. I think all of us know what is the sketch of the constant function. Look here, I remind you, if y equal constant, this constant, what is its sketch? A sketch, it means not accurate, or just to show you how the curve of the function looks like. Look here, it will be constant function passing through C, maybe 1, maybe 3, maybe 4. Horizontal line, okay? For any linear function, it will be what? Any linear function y equal mx plus the sketch of linear function. If the slope, look, if the slope positive, Okay, the position of the function will be like this one. And passing through the y-intercept, that is y-intercept. It looks like this one, B, and passing like this one. That is the sketch, not accurate. Okay, if the slope negative, the position of the function decreasing like this one. And so the curve of the function passing through B and it looks like this one. Okay, the slope tell you what is the position of the line, increasing or decreasing. Y-intercept, the curve must be passing through it. Look here, let's solve this problem. I remind you what is the sketch of some function, okay? Look here, how to draw this one. This is horizontal line passing through 4, that is the y-intercept. Okay, I'd like to find the area bounded by this function, okay? And two vertical line, x equal 1, x equal 3, okay, like this. Okay. Here, so the value of this definite integral equal what? Area of what? Rectangle. Why? Because the area or the region that we get or that bounded by the curve of the function to vertical line and x-axis, it is what? Rectangle. So the value of this definite integral from 1 to 3 of 4 with respect to x, the area of rectangle equal what? Length multiply width. What is here? 4 and here from 3 to 1, 2. What is the difference between them? So what are the two dimensions of this rectangle? It will be 4 multiplied to, it will be 8. So the value of this definite integral equal 8. I think it's too easy. Okay, let's solve the next one. Okay. Look here, what is the sketch of this function? Yes, I know. It is slope positive, so that is the position of line and passing through y equal 2. That is the sketch of this what? Line. That is y equal x plus 2. I'd like to find the value of this definite integral from 0 to 3 of this function with respect to x. So I have to identify what is the two vertical line because it will be the area of the region that we get. Okay, and look here is different color. Here 0. That is the first vertical line. The second one at 3. So the vertical line. Okay, that is x-axis. Okay, different color. That is the x-axis. Okay, that is the two vertical line. And so to find the value of this definite integral, it will be the area of the region bounded by the x-axis to vertical line and the curve of the function. That is the curve of the function to vertical line. Exactly. This shape is what? Trapezoid. Okay. Trapezoid. Okay. In this case, so this area, it will be the area of trapezoid. I know what is the area of trapezoid. It will be area of trapezoid equal what? Half base 1 plus base 2 all multiply height. Here says that one is perpendicular, that is the two bases which are parallel. Two bases are parallel. That is base 1, that is what? Base 2. That is the height. Base 1, as you see, it will be 2. From 0 to 2, it will be 2. Base 2, 3. At 3 needs to know what is the value of y because base 1, base 2 are the y coordinate of here, 0 and of 3. Just replace here, find f of 3, which will be 3 plus 2, it will be 5. So base 2 equal what? 5. What is the height from 0 to 3? It will be 3. So here I just define the area. It will be half, base 1, which is 2, base 2, which is 5, multiply the height, which is 3. It will be 3 point, it will be 10.5, 10.5. I think this one, 3.5. Ah, that's right. I hope you understand. I just sketch, which means the curve of the function not accurate, but it looks like how the curve looks like. Okay. Solve the next one. I solved C and D, E and F, it will be homework. Look here for question number part C. By the same way, slope here what? Positive. So that is a position, y-intercept. Okay, it will be like this one. Look here. 4, that is a y-intercept. There's a line, it's a position like, like this. Like this one. Okay, I have to. Clear? That is the sketch of the curve of the function. I have to identify where are the two vertical lines at x equals 0. I draw it into different color. Okay, 0. That is the first one. The vertical line and the curve of the function until I reach to the curve of the function from the x-axis here at 3. Draw vertical line until reach to the curve of the function. Here, that is the x-axis. Look here, the area or the region that you get, or that bounded by the curve of the function f of x, x-axis and two vertical line, it is what? The shape of what? Trapezoid. Trapezoid, it will be half equal the area of this equal area of the trapezoid. That is the shape of the region that bounded by the curve of the function, two vertical line and the x-axis. Half base 1 plus base 2 multiply height. Base 1 here, as you see, 4. That is base 2 means I don't know what is the value of this one. It is y. Or f of 3. Just replace here, it will be 9 plus 4 would be 13, right? No. 3 multiply 3, 9 plus 4, it will be 13. It will be what? 13. So, and what is the height here, which is the perpendicular, as you know, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel bases, or this one and these two, it is what? Is the height. Equal. Just replace it will be half. 4 plus 3 multiply height, which is what? That is 4. That is 13. I'm sorry. Multiply height, which is 3. Okay, just use your calculator. Use your what? Calculator. I use it to find the answer. It will be 17 divide 2 multiply 3. It will be 25.5. I think it's so easy. That is the value of this definite integral, which here I found the value of this definite integral by finding the area of the region bounded by the curve of the function, two vertical lines, x equals 0, x equals 3. And this is what? The lower limit, x-axis equal what? The lower limit of the integration, x-axis equal the lower limit of the upper limit of integration. How to draw the last one? I think it's so trivial. I swear it's so trivial. Look here, I sketch this one. I know what is the sketch of this one, positive. It looks like this position, and y-intercept I don't have. It will be, line passing through the, I think all of you know how to sketch this function. That is my function. Then identify what the two vertical line here, 0 and at 4, which is the first one at the lower limit of integration, the second one at the upper integration. Okay? So what is the shape that you get of the region bounded by the curve of the function x-axis? The two vertical line is what? Triangle. Okay, this is 4. And how we get this one? This one, it means f of 4. Understand? Just replace it with this. To find the area of a right angle triangle, that is base, that is what? Right. As you know, any vertical line perpendicular on the horizontal axis or the x-axis. So it will be the area of triangle, which is what? How? Multiply base, multiply height, which is half, multiply 4, which will be 8. Thank you for joining this session. Try to watch the video again and solve the part E and part A. Thank you. Have a nice day.